Hi there! Welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, I'll show you how to set up and customize the Inactive Tab Message Widget so you can keep your shoppers engaged and reduce cart abandonment without interrupting their browsing experience. Accessing the widget. To access the Inactive Tab Message Widget, open your customized Debutify theme. Click on Debutify Widgets. Select the Inactive Tab Message. To enable or disable it, go to Theme Settings, Growth Widgets. Once enabled, go back to Debutify Widgets, Inactive Tab Message. Here you can customize all settings. Message, 1 to 5 seconds. This setting lets you decide how quickly the Inactive Tab message appears after a visitor switches to another tab. You can pick any value between 1 and 5 seconds. For example, setting it to 2 seconds makes the message pop up almost immediately, while 5 seconds gives them a little more time before the reminder appears. You can add tabs. Click to add block and select Inactive Tab Message. Now there is Tab Message Setting, where you can write the actual message that shows on the Browser tab when shoppers leave your site's tab. Try this message to keep it short, catchy, and friendly. For example, don't forget this. You can add different blocks with unique messages if you want to test what resonates best with your audience. And that's it. Your Inactive Tab Message Widget is now ready. By customizing it, you'll capture shopper attention, keep them engaged longer, and encourage them to return to your store. Thanks for watching and happy customizing with Debutify theme.